So let's just have a look at the cross-section of every optical fibre. What you have, in the centre you have got the fibre. Then on the next layer around that you have a cladding, which is the reflective layer. Then around that you've got a protection layer, which is also light proof. Some fibres actually do have a third cladding around the outside. We'll talk about that when we talk about attenuation and ways in which these fibres lose light. And a protection layer, that's coloured. It ends up, just for continuity, that all these fibres have a set diameter, just so all the connectors can fit a step index fibre or a graded index fibre or a multi-mode fibre. The outside diameter of that protection layer, which is there just to stop it from bending too far and there to give it some tensile strength and some resistance to kinking, that diameter stays the same. I went past a local manufacturer. Let's have a look at what actually optical fibre looks like. So here's a couple of samples that they gave me. The yellow is single mode. The aqua is multi-mode, graded index multi-mode. Notice that decibels loss on both bags. The decibels loss on aqua says it loses less than 35 decibels. I'm going to reverse the greater than less than because we're actually negative. It's a loss. The single mode, 55 decibels. There's 20 decibels difference. Every 3 decibels means a halving of loss. So for this one, 35-55, the single mode loses 2 to the power 7. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. That yellow fibre loses 1/128th less power per metre than this one. The single mode fibres are far more effective. Typical distances you can transfer data with, you use at 100 gigabits per second, using your various optical fibres. Stepped index multi-mode, basically perspex core, low distances, red LEDs, used in household audio. Forget about transferring anything long distances with it. Graded multi-mode fibre, you can go up to 100 metres. Single mode fibre, you can go up to 10 kilometres before you run out of, before attenuation takes over and you've got to amplify the signal. So the difference in efficiency between single mode and graded multi-mode fibres is fairly clear there. To transmit a similar amount of data, you can only go 100 metres with multi-mode, you can go 10 kilometres with single mode before you run out of signal strength.